Welcome to this educational deep dive into one of the most impressions of a global champion. Every season opener for her is more than a race, it's a signal of her form, preparation, and focus. Fans and analysts were looking to see how she would set the tone for how did she approach the opening gates of the first run. She began with controlled aggression. Her turn timing was clean, early, and deliberate. She didn't hold back, but she didn't over-attack either. Instead, she built pace naturally by keeping perfect balance through the first few gates. Her discipline at the start helped establish the rhythm she needed for the rest of the run. Which part of the course gave her the biggest advantage in Run 1? The steep mid-section was where she truly separated herself. That part of the course demands technical accuracy, and this is where Shiffrin's micro-adjustments made a difference. She stayed centered, kept her edges quiet, and maintained momentum where others fought the terrain. By the bottom of that pitch, she had built a significant lead. How did she handle the final section before the finish? Her finish was technically sharp. She held a compact form, kept her skis running without unnecessary sliding, and maintained speed through the last gates. This clean execution added stability to her lead without pushing her into risky territory. What did she and her team focus on between runs? Between runs, her team reviewed small timing inconsistencies from Run 1 and discussed the areas likely to degrade most by the second run. They refined her line choices, checked ski edges and waxing for temperature changes, and reinforced a strategic plan: protect her rhythm and adjust early to any visible ruts. It was a calm, focused recalibrate. How does Shiffrin mentally reset before a high-pressure second run? She resets by simplifying her mindset. She acknowledges the pressure but doesn't dwell on it. She analyzes what can be improved, focuses on execution, and treats Run 2 as a fresh challenge. This ability to stay present and avoid distraction is a major reason for her sustained success. How did she adapt to the course changes before the second run? By Run 2 the slope had more grooves and uneven patches. Shiffrin responded by engaging her edges a bit earlier and tightening her line to avoid being knocked off balance. Did she face as the last skier on the course? Being the final skier means the handled it with trademark composure. She skied like someone who embraces pressure rather than avoids it. Turn was where she delivered the race-winning sequence. She kept her line incredibly tight and maintained top of her sport. What can we expect from her for the remainder of the 2025-2026 season? The balance she showed in Levi, precision with well-timed aggression, she will likely remain the athlete to beat through awareness. From her controlled aggression in Run 1 to her composed execution in Run 2, she delivered the kind of performance that defines a champion. If you found this breakdown helpful, remember to share the video, like it, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth educational sports analysis.